Both of these toasters are on strike. The lever on the black one plays peekables, refusing to stay put, while the white one sits stubbornly silent. It's power cords on vacation. Luckily, most toaster tantrums are easy to handle. Let's figure out what's wrong with these toasting machines and get them singing again. Safety note: if you're not comfortable working with the electrical appliances, it is best to take to a qualified repair technician. But if you want to fix it yourself, then take your own responsibility for safety precautions. Unplug the toaster from the outlet before you begin. Obviously, do not attempt to fix it while the toaster is still plugged in. Let's find out the possible causes and solution. The most common cause of a toaster lever not staying down is a buildup of crumbs in the mechanism. To fix this, unplug toaster and turn it upside down. Shake it gently to remove any loose crumbs. You can also use a vacuum cleaner to suck out any crumbs that are stuck. After you take all the breadcrumbs out and you test it again, if it still didn't work like this, if this case, then we find out other solution. I think it's time to take this apart. They have different type of screw because they avoid people to take it apart because all the about safetyness thing. But because luckily I have the screwdrivers, it's many head of screwdrivers, and I'm sure this is one of them is fit on this small screw. That's up. You can see the electric thing is here because it's here the control thing. I should be able to take this lever out and then just pull down that way, so it come out. So now I think we could take out easily. Let's see the system here, what is block. So that has little electricity board there, and the white one. If there are no crumbs in the mechanism, the problem may be a broken spring. The spring is what holds the lever down in place. If the spring is broken, you will need to replace it. You can find replacement springs at most hardware stores or online. Thankfully, in my case, the spring seemed to be functioning perfectly. If the spring is not broken, the problem may be a faulty electrical component. For major electrical issues, consult a qualified repair technician. However, a simple fix might be cleaning the magnetic contact triggered by a lever. Thoroughly scrub it with a toothbrush to remove any debris. After brushing out all the crumbs and debris, carefully reassemble the toaster. Make sure it's the right position. That part should be the bottom. And you can hear it click. Now it's time to test. So plug in. Let's test it. Now it's work. So basically I can feel it's the heat come up and then it's the light is here. So the white one is fixed now. There we go. Done. And now I want to check the black one. So the black one is, as I did show, that is the problem is in the magnetic area. The white one here is loosey, so that means it's about the hardware problem. So I think the way I could to fix this one, I need to change the white one, this one. So that means it have to go to the repair shop where they can help this one to replace this, the white one. But I'm not sure here I could find. But let's see, I will put it back after I clean as well. So hopefully, finger crossed that it will work like the white one. It will fix easily. Let's see. I will put it back. Dun, dun, dun. So the same problem, basically this cannot fix because that little white thing, the magnetic one has problem itself. The hardware, I think it loose already. The general one, like most common one, is just only the breadcrumbs, and that's it. You can fix like this one. I fix already the white one. Now I can use as no more toast now. For this one, I'll find another way to fix it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.